If you're getting into keeping a freshwater fish for your aquarium, then you need to know the easiest, hardy and colorful fish to select for your tank. Here's the list of top 10 best aquarium fish for beginners. Do watch the video till the end to see which fish made it to the top. Let's start with number 10. On number 10, we have gourami. Gouramis are easy to care for and goes well with many other fish like molly, platy, swordtail and many others. They like floating plants in the water and would remain under them most of the day. Except from dwarf gourami, the other categories grow big in size, which is 5 to 6 inches long, so you need to have a larger tank for them. If you have a community tank, then try keeping 3 to 4 gouramis together. At times, they also get territorial and aggressive towards each other or any other larger fish. You will love to see them communicating with you and responding you from inside the aquarium. Gouramis have decent and so elegant colors that you would love to have them. We have angelfish on number 9. Once an angelfish is settled in your aquarium, then you only need to provide them food and monitor the water parameters. Generally, they are peaceful and easygoing, but they do get territorial towards other fish. They eat a variety of food that includes bloodworms, shrimps, frozen food, flakes, and many more. Because of their huge structure, you need to have a larger tank for them. They have beautiful and shiny patterns and colors and are also very elegant looking and serene. The best part about them is they will contact with you and they will keep their eyes on you the whole day. On number 8, we have goldfish. Goldfish is the most popular among freshwater fish. They are easy to take care of and a good choice for beginners. The only thing they need is a filter and proper cleaning of the tank in order to keep them away from diseases. They eat pellets happily and that you can offer them once a day. Try keeping 2 to 3 goldfish initially and avoid adding any aggressive fish in their tank. The drawback of keeping a goldfish is that they are highly sensitive and catch diseases easily. On number 7, we have iridescent shark. If you're fond of large fish and large tanks, then iridescent shark will be a great choice for you. They are compatible with most of the other fish, be it angelfish, goldfish, molly, and many more. They are so peaceful and calm to keep. All they do throughout the day is to swim around right and left. They are fast swimmers and easy to take care of. All they need is space. The more you will give them space, the more they will grow. If you will give them sufficient food and will provide them space to grow, they can reach up to 3 feet long. On number 6, we have swordtail. Swordtails have an impressive sword-style tail, which makes them really unique among other fish. They can reach up to 5 to 6 inches long. That is why you need at least a 10 to 20 gallon tanks for them. They are active, peaceful and get along really well with most of the other fish, especially with platy. They are live bearers, means they give birth to their babies. Because of their rapid reproduction, they overpopulate your tank within months. They are easygoing and will happily eat flakes and frozen food. On number 5, we have tetras. Tetras are small in size and they only need a 10-gallon tank. They are called schooling fish as they live and survive in groups, so you need to keep at least 5 to 6 tetras together. They are a little shy in nature, so always use plants, rocks, driftwood to provide them hiding space. They are easy to mingle around, especially with smaller sized fish. Do not keep them with large fish that can possibly eat them. The only thing you need to keep a check on is the water parameters. Also, avoid using flashy lights. Number 4 is catfish. Keeping a catfish as a pet is wonderful. They are easy to keep and need little attention. However, they are best to keep with other fish as algae eaters. They spend all their time eating from the bottom or from the walls of your tank. A catfish can eat algae, debris, sinking pellets, say foods, shrimps, and even bloodworms. They are peaceful in nature and also hardy. That means they survive easily in most of the situations. On number 3, we have mollyfish. Mollyfish is the most common fish among fish keepers. Mollies are so friendly and peaceful in nature. They get along really well with all other tank mates. You will always find them roaming around here and there, exploring and enjoying the surroundings. Mollyfish has got great variety. However, Saintfin molly is considered to be very unique and eye-catching. Because of their hardy nature, they tend to surpass most of the conditions easily. The only thing which can make them die is overfeeding. The more you will provide them food, the more they will eat. So avoid giving unnecessary food to them. Number 2 is platy. Platies are yet another very popular freshwater fish around the world. They are great for beginners as well as experienced fish keepers. They are easy to keep and breed at the same time. Platies get along really well with most of the other small fish like molly, swordtail, guppies, and many more. They are active, social, and need a 10-gallon tank to live in. Like many other schooling fish, they also like to stick together in groups. It's better to always keep more females and less males. They have a variety of colors and forms that will make you want to buy them on the spot. On number 1, we have none other than guppies. Guppies are best for all new fish keepers as they are peaceful and easy to take care. Guppies are ideal for beginners as they are so tiny in size that they only need a 5-gallon tank to survive. Small, hardy, and tolerates different environmental conditions. However, they can die easily because of poor water conditions, lack of oxygen, or overfeeding. Guppies are also live bearers like other small fish and they deliver babies. They are schooling fish and like to stick together in groups. Their fascinating colors and patterns are a treat to watch and buy. While concluding, I must say that you can choose any one of them because they are all excellent choices for beginners. Always learn and research about your favorite fish before you buy them. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, which is KNM_HS. Thank you and goodbye.